Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Modelones collaborated with Pantone Color Institute to create these dip powder kits. There are also acrylic powders and gel polishes as well, but they sent me the powders, and on the screen there would be a discount code if you'd like to purchase, as well as a link in the description. So the two kits they sent are Fierce and Embolden. By the way, Embolden, the powder glows in the dark. I didn't get any great clips of the glow in the dark, sorry about that. So right now I'm doing the unboxing and showing all of the dip powders, and the kits came with the usual instructions and also a 2-in-1 base and top coat and an activator, which are 0.5 fluid ounces, and also a mini nail file and a mini brush as well. The dip containers have numbers assigned to them, so I will have the numbers for each dip powder on the screen. For this design, I'm using the green dip powder and a glitter dip powder. I applied my tips off camera, and now I'm just shaping the tips, and I'll be removing the shine from the nail tips. I have on peel off base coat on my nails. Next, I'm using double dip clear dip powder, so I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is an optional step. On the ring nail, I'm doing the whole nail with the green dip powder. So I applied base and then I poured the dip powder. I did a few layers of that to build the nail, but I only showed 3 layers. The dip powder needed 3 coats to reach full opacity, and it was really nice and soft and fluffy. It was not grainy at all. On the pinky nail, I applied tape off camera, and now on the nail bed area, I'm applying base and then I poured the green dip powder. I did 3 layers and then removed the tape. Then I placed another tape on the nail and did a few more layers. Next, I applied activator to the ring and pinky nail and waited for it to harden. On the middle nail, I applied tape off camera as well, and I'm doing another color block. I applied activator to that area and waited for it to harden. Then I filed a little off camera. Next, I applied tape to the tip area of the same nail to achieve another color block. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. And also don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. On the index nail, I'm using the glitter on the whole nail. Then I filed the color block nails to achieve straighter lines. Next, I applied the glitter dip powder to the pinky and middle nail. I encapsulated the nails off camera, so now I'm just applying activator and waiting for the nails to harden to begin my filing. I also filed off camera as well, so this is after filing of the nails. Next, I top coated the nails using Modelones Top Coat and then I cured for 30 seconds. So I'm using this reflective glitter gel polish from Born Pretty, which is the same glitter like the dip powder, and I'm just drawing some lines and then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I top coated the nail and cured again for 30 seconds. So these dip powders were really nice and smooth. I liked the bright colors and the glitters were reflective. I don't think I've seen reflective dip powder glitters, so that was a first. And Modelones always has some nice dip powders, so check them out if you're interested. The link will be below. So let me know what you guys think of this dip powder nail design as well. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!